man who was already facing charges in one crime now facing charges in a deadly shooting.
Reporter Alyssa Munoz learned the suspect who was living in Albuquerque was already wearing an ankle monitor.
Yeah, well, Adan Munoz was arrested Sunday morning after witnesses say he shot and killed a person. But this isn't the first time he's had a run-in with the law. Just a month ago, he actually was arrested for domestic violence. On Sunday morning, Albuquerque police and Bernalillo County Sheriff's deputies were called to a dirt area near 98th and Avalon. Deputies interviewing two people who said they were gathering with a group of Venezuelan descent who were hanging out in the area. Now, at one point, a woman told detectives that her husband got into a fight, and during that fight, the suspect, Adan Munoz, started firing a gun towards them, but he targeted a man who was not involved in the fight. That man died. Now, just a month ago, Munoz was already in trouble with the law for a domestic violence situation at a Southeast apartment complex. His wife telling police Munoz got angry and strangled her, also threatening to kill her son. Police granted her a restraining order against him, and when they spotted him at the apartment, he was arrested and the judge released him on an ankle monitor until his trial. He was due back in court on that charge later this month. But a Target 7 investigation, Revolving Door, looked into pretrial detention and bail reform just a few months ago. They learned some suspects are released on a GPS ankle monitor, and that decision has often used the public safety assessment known as the Arnold tool as a guide. The tool looks at suspects' criminal history and missed court appearances and gives judges recommendations. In May, the rules about pretrial release changed, requiring people to be held in jail if they are arrested on a felony charge while on release. Deputies investigating the shooting used data from the ankle monitor to verify that Munoz was in the area during the shooting. Court records showed that Munoz had his release revoked after his arrest in the shooting. Now, we reached out to many people, including the sheriff's office, the courts, and the district attorney's office to talk about this case and the role the monitor played in it, but none were available for an interview. Reporting in Albuquerque, I'm Alyssa Munoz, KWT Action 7 News.
Adan Munoz goes to court for the shooting charges on Thursday.